Here we've got QILIVE 5039D, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to System and click on Languages and Input. And if you would like to change language, just click on Languages, select Add a Language, and here you can come along with all list of languages. So as you can see, it's a pretty long one and everyone will find something suitable. Let me choose, for example, French, and then swipe it up to the first place to make it the default language. And from now on your device is set up with French, so everything is changed to French. You can practice this language, or if it's your native one, you can use your device comfortably. And then whenever you would like to go back to English or change the language one more time, just pick System again, go to Languages and Input, pick Language, and you can either remove French by tapping on More icon, select Remove, mark it, and then tapping on Bin icon. And you can add some other language, but I will stay with English, so there's no more action needed. And this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can change language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.